In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sync up an Arvig email with an Android device. The first thing we're going to do is tap on the email application. You should get prompted to set up an account right off the bat, so we're going to scroll to the bottom and hit Add Other Account. From there, we will enter our email address, and then make our way down to the password. Once we have that, we can hit Sign In. And it should find the correct server for you here. And once you have emails in your inbox, you'll know your account is set up correctly.
For more information, call, click, or visit Arvig.